So much insecurity in Africa. I just pray that African continent will come together, proffer solution, and make things to start working in the right way. If you go to some African nations, they are suffering. They are living in poverty, insecurity, banditry, economic hardship. In fact, may God come to the aid of Africa. Now, it is in Mali. Their security is, in fact, I don't know what is happening. But as you watch this video, you will hear more concerning the security in Mali and what they are facing. Watch this.
The Front for the Liberation of Azawad, or FLA, says it now controls most of the Kidal region in northern Mali. The separatist group seized the city last month after fierce fighting with Malian soldiers and Russian fighters. Since then, the FLA has expanded its control to nearby towns, including Tessalit and Mshash. People here say life has changed since government forces withdrew.
Kidal is much better now than it was before. When the Malian army was present, we were afraid to move freely. Now we feel completely free and safe, and for the first time, it truly feels like our own city.
The FLA accuses Russian fighters, who've backed Mali's military leaders for years, of abuses against civilians during the fighting.
The crimes committed by Wagner or the Russian corps, they are effectively the same, are countless. Among them were attacks on civilian homes, where we discovered the buried bodies of women and children.
Under a reported agreement with the FLA and fighters from the Al-Qaeda-linked armed group JNIM, some Malian and Russian troops have now begun withdrawing from remaining military positions in the region. Mali's junta says the attacks were a deliberate plan to destabilize the country.
These developments are part of a broader pattern of pressure, destabilization efforts and manipulation campaigns that Mali and the Alliance of Sahel states have faced since committing firmly to governance reforms aimed at strengthening their sovereignty.
The armed groups in the north say they seized a large amount of military hardware left behind by the Russians and government forces. Mali faces growing instability nationwide. JNIM fighters are tightening their siege around the capital Bamako, disrupting transport routes and food supplies. With the army now reduced to controlling just a few locations in northern Mali, the region appears to be slipping away from the military's control.
Thank you for watching. I hope you heard everything. Drop your opinions in the comment section. Let's know what you think. See you in the next one, and bye.